Welcome back, hello everyone, in the channel Invasion, Mamun Shoman. You see today gearbox porte-clés. This for you can put with the key. This very fun to use this porte-clés and easy to make. You can see this gearbox. You can take the first, two, third, like this, four, and reverse. It's very funny and easy to make. First thing I need to give one like this. Also we need bottle, maybe of cola. We need to make the gearbox form like this. After like this, now you make like this too much. After you can cut this very easy. You can use small knife normal. After you coming like this, before we need to put the tip here, electric tip, to not coming the other side. Also make hole by the another cover, but like this you can use very easy. Thank you for watching. See you later for the another video. Don't forget the like and subscribe. See you.